Shrimp processing lines. Input area includes input conveyor, cleaning machine, distributing conveyor. The shrimps are transferred from containers in vans to the input conveyor belt and passed to cleaning machines. Conveyors are well designed at a level of the van floors and wide enough to hold all the shrimp inside to make the transfer easy. A circulated water system will clean the shrimp from dirt and impurities. Next, an input conveyor transfers shrimp to a distributing conveyor to the preliminary processing station. The cleaning capacity is from 1.5 tons to 2 tons per hour to match with the factory capacity. Preliminary processing area includes preliminary processing conveyor, product collecting conveyor, waste moving conveyor. In the preliminary processing area, shrimps are distributed to workers on trays on the belt. Preliminary processing conveyor includes 3 lines. The central line is for transferring trays with raw material to 2 workers. 2-sided lines transfer finished products. The conveyor is also equipped with faucets, wastewater, and material containers with a pivot axis at the center for waste disposal. Workers only need to stay at one place rather than move around for loading and unloading, and the floors are also kept dry and clean. At the beginning and at the end of the conveyor, 2 belts are set, one for transferring wastes to waste treatment area, and the other for collecting completed products before they go to the next step in the process. This design saves indirect labor and keeps the factory clean. Only 1 worker at the end of the output belt and 1 at the waste belt are needed. This system is protected by patent and is highly rated by national and international customers. Shrimp peeling area. Peeling conveyors are designed with 1 material conveying belt, finished product belt, faucet system, waste containers on both sides, and a motive driving system beneath. With this system, workers stand on the side of the conveyor to process shrimp. Indirect labor for transporting completed products or waste is not needed, which improves productivity, decreases salary costs, and saves electricity energy. The system is suitable for large-scale production factories, saving work areas. Finished products are packaged to transfer to the next stage for freezing. Waste conveyor sends waste to the treatment area. Nobashi processing line. The Nobashi processing line has a special design with multitask implementation on 1 conveyor. At one part of the conveyor, faucets and waste containers are attached for shrimp peeling. Unshelled shrimps are placed on trays or belts. At the next step, workers take shrimps from trays to devein and arrange them in Nobashi trays for straightening. Those trays are vacuumed in the next step. This conveyor facilitates multiple tasks at the same time, and workers stay at 1 station. This conveyor facilitates doing multiple tasks at the same time, with workers staying at 1 station. Conveyor design is suitable in small working places. Sushi processing line. Shrimps are straightened by using metal sticks pierced through the shrimps. Shrimps are steamed in a steaming chamber, designed to maintain temperature evenly and with temperature fluctuation range of plus or minus 2 degrees centigrade to cook shrimps perfectly. Depending on customers' requirements, a boiling machine could replace the steamer. Cooked shrimp are transferred to cutting machines. Cutting machines are designed with grooves for water to propel the shrimp through the cutting blades. Cutting blades slice the shrimps perfectly to a predetermined depth. Cutting blades can cut up to 60 to 90 shrimp per minute. Processed shrimp are transferred to conveyors to a sushi belt for peeling, cleaning, and placing on trays. Shrimp trays are later vacuum sealed. individually quick frozen. Individual quick freezers are designed with belts of different widths ranging from 1.2 to 1.8 meters. The length is from 5 to 11 meters with the capacity from 250 to 1,200 kilograms per hour. Freezers provide freezing solutions to different types of products, such as individual breaded shrimp, nobashi shrimp, sushi, or shrimp blocks up to 30 millimeters thick. The even air distribution to top and bottom of products improves capacity and reduces electricity use. In particular, Namyoung Limited Company is improving the freezers with an NS reservoir rather than the low-pressure reservoir to make freezing quicker, reduce electrical use, and maintain temperature evenly during the freezing process. Catfish processing line. Input area. Fish transferred from boats to conveyor by containers are weighed automatically and moved to funnels. Using tubes, fish are transferred by conveyor to the processing area. The input system is economical and effective to save space for processing and to avoid traffic interruption. Fillet area includes bleeding table, immersion tanks, distribution conveyor, fillet conveyors, remaining waste funnel, post-fillet cleaning machine, conveyor to skinning area. Raw fish are loaded on cutting tables. The cutting tables are divided into 3 trays. 2 trays at both sides containing fish for the workers to cut. One in the middle has a slanted surface to transfer fish to immersion tank for blood cleaning. The immersion tank circulates water to clean the fish continuously and sends fish to a conveyor belt. The immersion tanks include 3 fish containers to guarantee fish blood is completely removed and to keep the continuous operation. Next, fish are transferred to a distributing conveyor belt to the fillet conveyor. Activated distributing systems are controlled electronically to ensure the fish are loaded to the full container. The fillet conveyor includes conveyor belts for raw fish and finished products separately, faucets and waste containers at both sides to keep the floor clean, and a central screw for waste disposal to the byproduct area. Filleted fish are then conveyed to the cleaning machine for thorough washing by circulating water. This removes internal parts and residue. Clean fish are loaded on a conveyor for trimming. Trimming area includes trimming conveyor, inspection table, conveyor, post-trimming cleaning machine. After skinning, fish are weighed to check the productivity and transferred to the trimming conveyors. These conveyors transfer semi-finished products to the workers who trim and then finally inspect the fish. After inspection, fish are transported by conveyor to the post-trimming cleaning machine. Seasoning area includes distribution conveyor, fish tumbler. The machines wash fish using circulated air. Fish are loaded to fish tumblers. Fish tumblers are slanted toward the back to hold the fish. Fish tumblers have 2 wings to season fish and avoid breaking the fish and prevent over-seasoning. Individual quick freezer, IQF, flat belt, frosting, refreezing. Freezing machines are designed to evenly distribute cooling air on both sides of products. Cooling coils are designed to have long operating hours between defrosting periods. time between defrosting is up to 16 hours or 2 working shifts. The freezing machine has a high capacity and is electricity economical. 1 kilowatt electricity is spent on freezing 3 to 4 kilograms of products to reduce the product price. This improves the competitiveness. IQF is highly durable and stable during operation. After freezing, products are transferred to a frosting machine and covered with up to 20% of frosting, depending on the input temperature. After glazing, frosted fish are transferred to refreezing machine. Refreezing machine has a similar design to the IQF to create refreezing, which ensures better preservation and freshness. Other products. Contaminant cleaner. Headless and peeled shrimp are loaded to a container and pulled to a water funnel for dirt and impurity removal. Funnels are equipped with water faucets to separate the shrimp from the dirt and foreign particles. The second pipe improves the cleanliness of shrimp. Machine capacity is about 300 kilograms per hour. Headless peeled shrimp classifier. Headless peeled shrimp are washed to remove any contamination. Shrimps are pulled up to the distribution funnel. Shrimp are mixed with water and distributed evenly to the pulleys. Pulleys are arranged to classify shrimp by their size from big to small. Then shrimps are sent to basket. Raw shrimp classifier. Raw shrimp classifier includes 2 funnels and 2 conveyor belts and rollers. Shrimp are loaded to the first funnel for pre-sorting and spreading, and reloaded to a second funnel. Then shrimp are distributed evenly on rollers. Rollers classify up to 2 tons per hour and 75 to 85% accuracy. Shrimp are classified into 6 different sizes. The machine is made of stainless steel to ensure durability. Grinding machine. The block of flour is loaded to the machine to be ground into smaller pieces of flour according to the different kinds of products. The machine is designed with conveyor belt for the workers to check and eliminate contaminants from flour constantly and rapidly. Frying machine. The frying machine uses heating elements with a nice tidy design to substitute for fuel to fry products such as wet battered shrimp, dry floured shrimp, deep fried shrimp, fried fish, cuttlefish, etc. In particular, this machine can eliminate the debris and burnt byproducts due to water at the bottom of the tank. This layer of water is cooled constantly to avoid overheating and to keep the oil from turning rancid or burned. The temperature of oil is always maintained at a stable temperature by the electrical control system. Shrimp frying conveyor. Raw materials are transferred to the frying machine by a conveyor belt to help achieve a high capacity. The design is simple to sanitize. The frying machine is designed with a frying tank and 4 conveyors for the products for the rapid elimination of byproducts. The products will not float on the oil surface, and frying temperature and time are stable by automatic control panel. The system has oil filter machines to maintain oil quality. Frying capacity is from 300 to 500 kilograms per hour, depending on the type and cooking style. After frying, products have uniform consistency and doneness. The system can be used to fry many different types of products, such as fish, shrimp, cuttlefish, etc.